Hello, this is Eric, Lonestar Acoustics, and today we're in Sherman, Texas at a manufacturing facility. As you can see in the background, we're not doing work actually in the manufacturing area, we're actually doing work in their administrative areas. So I'll let you see what's going on, and we just knocked out about half of it. We got about half left. I'll show you what we got so far. Alright, so as you can see, that's the area we were at, but what we've done, we've taken care of this entire cubicle area. Let me go up here on top so you can see everything. Everything's spaced out really nicely. And everything's going into this IT room over here. Got the control module mounted right there for this cubicle area. One lock up there since we're done in there. So that's done. So we put about 40 emitters in this area. As you can see, spaced out every 10 feet. Turned out really nice. It sounds really good. It was super duper quiet in here, and you could hear voices 50 or 60 feet away, so we really helped it out.
If we can help you out with sound masking, give us a call, 972-787-0808, sales@lonestaracoustics.com.